Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Michael. How are you today?
Hi, Karen. I'm doing well. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I wanted to talk with you about our work. We work in the same department, but I don't know much about your role. Could you tell me about your job?
Sure, Karen. I work as a customer service representative in the support department. I help customers with their questions and solve simple problems on the phone and via email.
That sounds interesting. I work in the marketing department as a social media coordinator. My job is to create posts, manage our social media pages, and talk to our online customers.
That is great. It seems we both have important roles in the company. What do you like about your job?
I like that my work is creative. I can design posts and come up with new ideas for our online campaigns. I also enjoy interacting with people online. And you, Michael? What do you like about your work?
I enjoy talking with customers and helping them solve problems. It makes me feel useful when I can fix a mistake or answer a question quickly. I also like that my work is simple and structured.
That is good to hear. How many hours do you work each day?
I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Friday. I have a 1 hour lunch break, and my work is very steady. What about you?
I have the same schedule, 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. Sometimes I work a little longer if there is a special project. But usually, my day is busy but not too stressful.
That is nice. Our work hours seem balanced. What do you do during your lunch break?
During lunch, I often go out with a few colleagues to a nearby cafe. We talk about our day and sometimes plan our work for the afternoon. I like that break because it gives me time to relax.
I usually eat lunch in our break room and read a little. Sometimes I take a short walk outside if the weather is nice. A walk makes me feel refreshed.
That sounds good. I sometimes take a walk after lunch too, especially when I need some fresh air. Do you work at your desk most of the day?
Yes, I do. I spend most of my day at my computer answering emails and making phone calls. Sometimes I write notes to follow up on a customer's issue.
I understand. In my role, I use the computer a lot as well. I design graphics and write social media posts. My work is also very computer-based.
Do you work in a big office?
Not really. I work in a medium-sized office. Our department has about 10 people. The office is bright and modern, and we have a small kitchen and a meeting room. How is your work environment?
I work in a similar space. Our area has several desks in an open plan office. It is quiet during most of the day, but sometimes there is a lot of activity when many calls come in.
I like that our offices are clean and organized. It makes it easier to focus on work.
I agree. I also like the fact that we have friendly managers who listen to our ideas.
Yes, our managers are very supportive. They often give us feedback and encourage us to improve.
I think that makes a big difference. A good work environment helps us be more productive and happy.
Do you have any special tasks that you enjoy in your role?
I enjoy when I can solve a customer's problem quickly. When I help someone and they thank me, I feel proud of my work. Sometimes I also train new employees, and I like sharing what I know.
That is wonderful. I sometimes train new team members too. I explain how to use our social media tools and show them our content strategy. Teaching others is very rewarding.
It is. I also learn a lot from new employees because they bring fresh ideas to the team.
True. How do you feel about working in our department? Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I enjoy the challenge of helping customers. Sometimes the problems are simple, but other times they are more difficult. I like that variety.
I feel the same way. I like that my work is creative and different every day. Even if I have to work on similar projects, there is always a new idea or trend to try.
Do you think your job is hard?
Sometimes it is challenging, especially when there are many deadlines. But I think it is manageable because I plan my tasks carefully. How about your job?
My job can be stressful when there are many calls at the same time, but I try to stay calm. I use a list to organize my tasks, and that helps me work efficiently.
Planning is very important. I also use a calendar to manage my schedule and remind me of meetings and deadlines.
Yes, technology helps a lot. I use a scheduling app on my phone. It tells me when I need to call a customer or when I have a meeting.
I use similar apps. They help me keep track of my day. I also check my email, often to stay updated on our projects.
Communication is key in our work. We need to talk to customers, colleagues, and managers every day.
Absolutely. Good communication helps us solve problems faster and work better as a team.
By the way, do you attend any work meetings often?
Yes, we have a weekly meeting every Monday morning. We discuss our tasks for the week, share our progress, and sometimes plan new projects. It is a good time to get feedback.
I have a similar meeting on Monday. It helps me set my goals for the week and know what my colleagues are working on.
Meetings can be very helpful, but sometimes they are long.
That is true. But I try to listen carefully and participate. It makes me feel part of the team.
I feel the same. I like to share my ideas, even if they are small. It shows that I care about my work.
Do you have any tips for managing work stress, Karen?
I usually take short breaks during my work. I sometimes walk around the office or chat with a colleague for a few minutes. I also drink water and eat a healthy snack.
I do that as well. When I feel stressed, I take deep breaths and step away from my computer for a short time. It helps me clear my mind.
It is good to have these habits. They help us stay focused and happy at work.
Yes, a balanced work life is important. I also try to leave work at the office and not bring stress home.
I agree. After work, I like to relax by listening to music, reading, or spending time with friends.
That is a good idea. I usually go for a walk or have dinner with my family to unwind.
It sounds like we both know how to balance our work and personal life.
Yes, I think that is very important. It helps us stay healthy and productive.
Thank you for sharing about your job, Michael. It is very interesting to learn about what you do.
Thank you, Karen. I enjoyed talking with you about our work. It is nice to know more about my colleagues and share ideas on how to work better.
I look forward to working with you more and maybe learning a few tips to improve my own work habits.
I would be happy to help, Karen. We can work together on projects and support each other.
That sounds great. I feel very positive about our team and our work environment.
Me too, Karen. It is good to have friendly colleagues who care about their work.
I hope you have a good day at work today, Michael.
Thank you, Karen. I wish you a great day as well. See you later in the office.
See you, Michael. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Karen.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.